Nothing gets people out of bed in the morning quite like a good cup of coffee, and it's even better when you can create barista-quality drinks from the comfort of your own home. Investing in a coffee machine could end up saving you a lot of money when it comes to getting your caffeine fix, and there's no need to spend a fortune as there are plenty of budget-friendly options available. One of these is the Tassimo Bosch My Way coffee machine is currently on sale on Amazon with a 40% discount, and shoppers have loved it so much, it's been described as the best thing they have ever bought. The coffee machine is currently priced at £59.99 down from £99.99, and customers have been full of praise for how quick and easy it is to use. The stylish cream-colored gadget works with coffee pods, and all you need to do is insert your chosen flavor and press start. The machine then reads the drink's unique barcode thanks to its IntelliBrew technology for the ideal drink every time. There is no heat-up time either, making it quick and simple, and the machine allows you to set your temperature, volume and intensity in order to make your favorite drink. There are over 50 different types of hot drink to choose from, coming from a variety of different brands such as Costa and Cadbury. It also comes equipped with a 1.3 liters water tank. It auto-cleans between each drink to ensure no flavor mixing between cups and auto-shuts off when not in use. Tech Deal of the Week: Shark has launched a range of pre-Black Friday deals, with lots offers from hair tools to vacuums. Popular vacuum cleaners such as the Shark Deluxe Black Anti-Hair Wrap Pet Cordless and Shark Deluxe Black Anti-Hair Wrap Upright have been heavily reduced, with savings of up to £180. If you're holding off until Black Friday itself, Shark won't be decreasing prices further on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so the discounts you see now are the best you'll get. The Shark deals are as follows: Shark Deluxe Black Anti-Hair Wrap Pet Cordless Vacuum, £189. 90 pounds off Shark Stratos Deluxe Black Anti-Hair Wrap Plus Pet Pro Cordless Vacuum, £249. 180 pounds off Shark Deluxe Black Anti-Hair Wrap Upright Vacuum Cleaner with Lift Away, Pet Model, £169. 100 pounds off Shark Deluxe Black Edition WandVac 2.0 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, £99. 80 pounds off Shark Deluxe Black Click and Flip Automatic Steam Mop, £99.99, 70 pounds off Fine Shark's full Black Friday range here. The coffee machine has very popular with Amazon shoppers, who have awarded it an average rating of 4.7 stars out of 5. Writing in the reviews, one customer said, "I got this coffee machine as an upgrade from my current machine and it didn't disappoint. Plenty of variations of setting, temp of coffee, strength and how large you want the cup to be. Very easy to use and initial setup and clean cycle was straightforward to follow." Another wrote, "I have used several machines over the last few years, including the latest Nespresso. They have all been good but this Tassimo for me is the best. My only criticism is the cost of the pods and the size of the water container, there should be an option to buy a larger one." And a third raved, "So glad I went for this machine. Best pod coffee we have had. Even an option just for hot/cold water. I love it. Very easy to use. Highly recommend." However, some shoppers weren't so impressed with the machine, as one shopper penned, "As with most Tassimo machines, the thing lets you start making a coffee with not enough water in. You then get half a cup. The float gauge is useless. You can buy the Tassimo coffee machine here. Alternatively, you can pick up the Nescafé Dolce Gusto from Argos for £85, the store's lowest price ever. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.